Good day, everyone. It's a privilege to present to you our research study entitled Project Scafftech, an intervention in improving pupils' writing skills in New Normal. I am Marilou T.Vidallon, Master Teacher 2 of Uyam Elementary School, with my co-researchers, Ma'am Gina C.Padua and Ma'am Katrina M.Romen. For the context and rationale, this action research focused on 38 out of 38 grade 6 pupils of Uyam Elementary School for school year 2021-2022 who failed to write composition writing on a weekly basis. Total enumeration was used in choosing the respondents. This study investigated if the intervention using scaffolding techniques in this new normal approach would help the pupils develop and improve their writing skills. The educator's aim is to make the students an independent learner and problem solver. Hartman 2002. This study would consider the efficacy of scaffolding technique in teaching writing. For the research question number 1, what is the current writing level of grade 6 pupils? Research question number 2, what is the writing level of grade 6 pupils after using the intervention, the scaffolding technique? 3. Is there a significant difference between the initial writing and final writing level of grade 6 pupils after the intervention? For the data gathering methods, first, ask permission from school head and parents of pupil respondents. Second, administer pre-test to the respondents online and offline. Third, sorted and collected the data. Fourth, computed and analyzed data. Fifth, administered 5-month scaffolding techniques as intervention through IMSCI model or inquiry, modeling, shared writing, collaborative writing, and independent writing. 6. Administered a post-test or final writing to respondents. Then repeat steps 3 and 4. For the findings, the result shows that the mean before the intervention was applied is 1.66 with a standard deviation of 0.58. That is the current writing level of grade 6 pupils. The mean after the application of the intervention is 2.82 with a standard deviation of 0.69. It is observed that there was an increase in the mean after the intervention was applied and that the said intervention had positive effect on the writing skills of the grade 6 pupils. It is also noticed that the standard deviation was slightly increased from 0.58 to 0.69, which means that after the intervention was applied, the average distance of each score is slightly farther from its mean. Table 3 shows the comparison of the pre-test and post-test scores on writing level of grade 6 pupils. The results show that the computed p-value is negative 19.32, is less than t-tabulated, negative 2.02. Therefore, null hypothesis is rejected and concluded that the difference in the means of pre-test and post-test are highly significant. This shows that the means after applying the intervention to the pupils increased the writing level, which indicates the effectiveness of intervention applied to the pupils. For the implications, scaffolding techniques develop and improve pupils' writing skills in new normal, allows the teacher and home facilitators to help pupils transition from assisted tasks to independent performances. It is a step-by-step process that provides the learner with sufficient guidance until the process is learned, and then gradually removes the support in order to transfer the responsibility for completing the task to the pupils. For scaffolding to be successful, the foundation or organized procedures must first be developed. The teachers must provide the pupils with optimal amount of support necessary to complete the task and completing the activity independently. For the recommendations, scaffolding techniques is also recommended to pupils of primary and intermediate level, not only for grade 6. Further studies is recommended for development of scaffolding strategies aside from IMSCI models, descriptive, and outlining for primary level, since it is an effective measure to develop the writing skills in new normal. Plans for dissemination and utilization. The result of this research will be disseminated in Uyam Elementary School within the grade 6 pupils of Uyam Elementary and municipality of Indang. The use of scaffolding techniques will be utilized as intervention for pupils to improve writing skills. The research was done on September 30 until March 30, 2022, every Thursday and Friday at 3 to 5 p.m. The researchers, after the research study, are going to share the outcome of the result for the benefit of English teachers who are teaching English composition writing and finding it difficult to teach writing. The outcomes of this study will also be used and will be adapted into the strategy for school development of Buyam Elementary School and the whole community of Indang to create not only a reader but also an effective writer. The research study is open for further study of future researchers. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.